been a big part of my life. It really helped me through some difficult times when I was first diagnosed, and coming to this point, my eyesight has declined quite a bit. So it's from beginning to end, and it's kind of bittersweet. But I'm happy we've raised so much money. Remember how I felt the very first run? And there was 168 people. Now there's 850 people here today, and it touches my heart. It does every year.
It's been amazing to have this run go for 20 years. The thicks and thins through the Harris Park days, the floods, the snows, the rains, to end on a day like this is amazing. And to think that Paul and Kim have carried it on all the way through has just been wonderful. They've committed so much to eye care in London, not just retina care, but eye care in general. And if you look back 20 years ago, with macular degeneration, that was one of the biggest things we needed. We needed awareness. If people don't know they've got a problem, they don't get seen for the problem. And that has been a huge, huge benefit of this run.
Keep supporting charities, keep supporting nonprofits, and keep making people aware of disabilities and causes that we need to pay more attention to. Invisible disabilities are very much here, and people need to be more aware of them.